Joe Jerome, I'm in the house in your mouth. Joe Jerome's in the house in your mouth like ooh, ooh.
Peace, fam. Peace, love, light, and healing. Peace to the gods. Peace to the earth. Peace and love to everybody out there. You know who it is. It's your boy, Romy Rome in the house. In your mouth. Joe Jerome, I'm in the house, and I'm in your mouth like ooh, ooh. I say ooh, ooh, ooh. We're going to jump right into this video soon, but before we do, remember, call a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, call a friend. Keep thriving and surviving. Keep your mind right. Keep your mind tight. Keep those vibes high. All right? And keep pushing for what it is y'all want. All right? The title of this video is Whole Family Goes Nuts Over a Towed Car. All right? So let's go ahead and jump right in here to this video right now.
After a repo tow hooks up a vehicle, a woman hops inside the car and locks the doors.
Open the door. Ma'am, if you don't open the door, we're going to break the window and remove you from the vehicle. You are going to go to jail. We have a court order. Open the door. You're going to go to jail if... You are going to go to jail if you don't exit the vehicle. Okay, step out.
Don't you touch me. If you touch me, I will get battery on a Leo. I promise you.
Okay, I don't want any. I don't want. Listen, I
She
don't
know
want
what
you
she's
to go.
talking about.
I have a heart condition. If you put your hands on me, no.
Step out. Come on.
Move, because I'm out of.
Oh, what happened? What happened?
Flip her over. Turn over. Turn over.
Damn. Push it or no?
Roll her over. Turn her over. Turn her. Get back.
I ain't done that. Look, I'm back, boy.
Get back.
No,
Stay back.
you hate my wife again. Take that
Stay
badge
back.
off. Take that badge off. What's your motherfucking name?
Stay back.
What's your name? What's your badge
14,
number?
Mary, 1033.
What's your badge number? You beat my wife,
Back
bro.
up.
You think that's funny?
Back up.
Hide behind that motherfucker. You beat my
Back up.
Wow.
bro. You motherfucker. Lexi, get back in the yard.
Why would he put his hands on my
Because
freaking
he's
mother?
a fucking coward.
Why would you
You're
do
a fucking coward. I want to picture her
Back
face.
up.
I want to picture her face.
Back up.
Go, she don't know, man.
Little dude took off.
You have a freaking heart problem.
Yeah, and y'all are beating
Back
her.
up.
Y'all don't even care. Look at this motherfucker. Look at this sorry motherfucker. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Zoom in on him. Zoom in on him. He punched my wife in the fucking face. Look, she's out cold.
Wow.
Back
Don't even-
up.
She's unresponsive. Call a fucking ambulance, you motherfucker. Call.
We are. Stay back.
Ambulance. Look what you did to my wife. I'm marking you. Hey, bro. I see you.
Okay.
Damn. Like how traumatic for the kids. That's crazy. And I know understanding, like I understand the dad, the father, the husband, whatever. I understand. I would be hot too. And I know I got a temper, so it would be hard for me to calm down. It's either that or I would probably be laying next to her getting arrested because I would have punched him out. It's just certain things where I know it's best for me to walk away or for me to react. And I understand that. That's 0 to a million real quick. Like, whose fault was it? Was it her fault for breaking the window because she was angry? Was she being too aggressive? Or is it the cop's fault? And why does the cop not seem like concerned that she has a heart condition and now she's passed out or unresponsive according to the dad?
That's all I'm saying.
I'm going to arrest you for threats against law enforcement if you don't stop.
I didn't threaten you. I said, I see you. I said, I see you. Listen, I know my rights, buddy, very well. Very well. What y'all just did? She's dead. She's out cold, bro. She's unresponsive.
Back up.
She has a fucking heart condition.
I understand that, but
you're
you
going
shouldn't
to
have...
kill her.
No, we are not.
She has surgery tomorrow. Look what you just did.
Understood. Back up.
I ain't backing up. No, I ain't done nothing on my property.
Please.
Back up, back up, back up.
Just don't make
Back
it
up.
worse.
I ain't done shit. Look at this. Look at what y'all did. Are you proud of that? Are you fucking proud? You beat a woman, you pussy.
Mama, are you okay?
You motherfuckers.
Hey.
Wait.
Step back. Step
I
back.
ain't done shit. I'm
Step
in my
back.
yard. I'm in my yard.
You good?
Look what they did to my
Step
wife.
back.
Look
You
what they
step back,
did.
brother.
I'm back.
You
I'm
step
back,
back.
sir. I'm
Step back.
back. I'm f***ing back.
All right.
What else do you want from me?
Okay, just
I've
try.
done nothing, man. Look what they did. She's got a heart fucking condition, my man.
Just stay back.
Look, I'm gonna put my knife down.
No, don't touch it.
Please.
Go over there.
Will you grab that knife? I don't want to get in any trouble. I just got off work.
Throw the knife on the ground right over there.
Okay. But listen,
Mama?
they can't. What the f is that? Look at my wife.
You don't listen to
Why
me?
can't I go see my
man.
mom?
You need to stay over here. Just stay over there.
Lexi, come over
But look
here.
what they did to my mom.
Look
Do
what
y'all
they
not
did, bro.
care?
Please, go take care of
I
your brother.
can't leave you.
So I got mama. Y'all better know there's a civil suit coming.
She's being charged with battery on Leo and criminal mischief.
And man, listen.
I'm not shaking her. Just stay back,
That's,
okay?
oh yeah, I got AIDS or something, I'm sure. People, bro, we're all mad. Look what you did to my wife. Your job.
Back up. I'm not touching you, player. Yeah. Look here, Ricky Bobby. If you ain't first, you're last. All right? That's what he just said. Back up. Okay? Hey, this is a cold situation, man, because why does the daughter at times seem like she has more sense than the dad? But the dad being a protector, I understand. But this is like, what do you do? What do you do in this situation? Drop down in the comments what you would do. What would you do? Would you stay calm and comply? Or would you fight for what you think you know is right? Or try to protect your kids from seeing all this trauma?
What are y'all doing?
Hey, help her. Stay back.
I'm trying to get my phone. It's not even my phone. Jeremy, call Miss Susan and have Mr. Pat get a lawyer.
Listen, I'll contact my lawyer in just a minute.
Just stay back, brother.
I am back. How much speed you need? Y'all that scared? Like, get f***ing real. It took 3 of y'all to beat a woman up. Y'all are done. Done, son. Done.
Stop. What are you doing?
I'm trying to spit. If I spit towards y'all, y'all are going to put another charge on me.
Done. Done. Done, sir. You look like a rookie. You look like a rookie, sir. Say something, please. My camera's ready. That's why the public hates you, motherfuckers. Look, she's out again. Y'all don't care. Call 911.
I have paramedics coming.
You're supposed to be police officer, but you put your hands on my mom.
Yeah.
Yes, she's going to jail for battery on Leo.
She didn't batter
But look
y'all.
what you did
Yes,
to
she
her.
did.
Hey, look what you did to her. It was a bad-
Stay back.
I'm in my yard, bro. What the f? You keep approaching me.
Hey, just stay back. Stay back.
I'm fucking back.
If he comes any closer, do what you have to do.
Dad, just
Oh,
listen.
we.
You need
I'm
closer.
gonna stay right here. Look, that's the line.
Listen.
Y'all told me not to
Crossing the
cross.
line, buddy.
Now I'm
Listen.
here, and look what you did.
Listen.
You got a pulse?
Got a pulse. All right.
Jeremy, calm down, please.
It's not going to help the situation if you get in trouble.
What's done
So
is
stop.
done, sir. You've did it.
What is going on?
Well, you went and done
A
it.
couple days
We're
ago,
10 for this.
we received a summons. Said we had 20 days to come back to them. So we are in the process of hiring an attorney.
Come this way, come on.
But
I have no respect for you.
She
You
has a heart
punched my
problem.
wife in the face. How we doing, sir?
Look what they did to my mom.
Look what they did, bro.
Why did it have to go like this? Why do you have to be like this, okay?
I did it. I got out with a bad temper because I paid $23,000.
Got it all on video. I'm calling an attorney, bro. You're done.
So much
You're done.
going on, man.
They have body cameras too.
I know. That's good.
So let me go over there.
Man, listen, you have
Why that car drive by like a drive-by? Just creep by and filmed? Is somebody driving by and filming? You see that? Like, it's so much going on, man. You got so much chaos. You got the dude being angry. Understood. It's understandable. Okay? The mom keep passing in and out, obviously probably due to her heart condition. The cop is trying to be cool. The dad is angry. It's a drive-by going on at the same time. Like, it's too much stimulation, man.
understand why I'm like this.
Okay, so let me go over and look at your wife, look at your mom, okay?
She's conscious.
She's gonna be
breathing,
fine.
okay?
She's conscious, the medics
That
are
should
on
have
the
never
way.
happened. That should have never happened.
Come over
All
here.
that
Come over here,
physical.
Do me a
okay?
favor,
Come
don't-
over here.
don't
Yeah.
mess with that
Can I
man.
set it down, man?
set
Can you
it
grab
down.
it? Grab it. Go ahead, boss. Please, I don't have none, man.
Come over here. What the hell's going on?
So we're under a replevins, right? The officer was just
For the vehicle?
for the vehicle. So I'm under a replevins right now. The cop just showed up like 2 days ago, served me with a replevins. My gate is locked. Everything is sealed 110%. So my wife pulled up about 10 minutes later. She said, I'm getting my out of there real quick. My wife was sitting in that vehicle when these two dads pulled up. The guy that's picking my wife up that beat her in the face. And then this gentleman here putting the black gloves on.
So they got the vehicle, everything. What happened to the vehicle? Why is it all busted up?
Because my wife did that, man.
She was mad.
Well, she was not only mad, but they were trying to pull her out of the vehicle. She's steadily telling them I have a heart condition, a really bad heart condition. When she got out of the vehicle, she said, look, please don't touch me. They didn't touch her, so my wife had that trash bag in her hand full of stuff. She hit the window, it busted.
So
Stepped
they're
out of
taking
the
the vehicle,
vehicle.
that's why we're here.
Yes,
Okay,
but
okay.
under my replevins, they're not supposed to step foot on my property. We're under a lawsuit right now. I'm supposed to maintain the vehicle. They're not supposed to step foot on my property, but they did this without will, come over the fence and got in my yard. So my wife got out of the vehicle, she turned and she smashed the back window. When she did, the dude holding her ran up and hit her immediately. Bam, hit her right in the face, split her. I see you, boy. I see you. I see you.
I see you, boy.
Kids, come on. Come over here. Come here, young man. Here, get that, okay? Y'all, my name.
I hope he's real proud.
I know.
I bet he beats his fucking wife. I bet you beat your wife. Hey, listen, man, I got all that on
Good statement.
I use physical force on a woman, on a fucking woman. So his first intention is to punch my wife in the face. Tell him to take that badge off. Give me 5 minutes with it.
Ooh.
10-15's right here, just one. I came up, she wouldn't get out of the vehicle.
Come on.
I explained to her she was going to get arrested for obstruction if she didn't get out. She finally got out.
Said that she was going to catch a bag, lead over, put hands on her, she's going to sit here, just step out. She walked around here, pulled back with a bag she had in her hand, smashed the back window. I grabbed her by the arms, went to take her down to the ground. She fell down on her back, started punching me in the side of the face.
You okay? Yeah, I'm good. I can still feel it.
Started punching me in the side of the face and just swinging wildly, so I think he popped her once in the face, I'm not sure.
Then we rolled her over and tried to get her controlled. This dude came in. He didn't jump into the fight, but he looked like he was going to, so we got him backed up.
Okay. Now we're here.
Okay.
I'm just playing peacekeeper right
You're good, do your thing, sir.
I just spoke to your mom. She said calm down.
Yeah.
She has to calm down too. I spoke to her. She's fine. Little Blake, medics are on their way. The sergeant over there is going to handle everything of your concern. Okay?
Yeah.
So what happened?
I came and got it. You know, we got a break order to go into the property. We got the
So it's signed by a judge and
signed by
squared away,
judge.
right?
I already confirmed it with my sergeant before I even took it. He pulled up. He asked the paperwork. I gave it to him.
So he's the owner of the vehicle that's getting repoed?
Right. Routed up, threw it on the ground. She pulled up right here. Said, you're not leaving with my truck unless I'm going to jail. So I called that girl. They get here. Nothing really happened until backup showed up. She was in the truck. She wouldn't get out. She wasn't arguing with me or anything. She just wouldn't get out the truck. It was him that was going back and forth between me and the tow truck driver. She swung me and broke the window, and then from there.
If y'all stay here, can I get the stuff out of the car to make y'all help you?
I don't think there's enough.
I'll check. But y'all stay right here.
Like 3 different stories, man.
Ain't nothing in there? I'm assuming this is your stuff, miss? On the ground?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just give it there, okay? I'm gonna pick this up and give it to your man over there, okay?
You want to get her cell phone?
Where's it at?
It's over here.
Okay.
The judge will sign that. And
What?
I paid a lot of money for this car. I've had it since 2018. We got in a car accident in it. They wouldn't work with us. We called them with the $14,000 to pay it off. They wanted
Yes,
us to pay $22,000.
I can care less about the car. As long as your well-being, they're gonna check you out with this young man, okay?
Here.
All right, so be nice to them. Be nice to
I'm
Deputy, okay?
done now.
Just calm down. All right. Deal? All right.
Are you okay, Mama?
She's fine.
I got you, bro. I got you. Don't worry. He's fucked. He's fucked. Both of them 2 chumps right there. Fucked all the way around.
I just saw that.
No, they need to know what they did is wrong, bro. They need to know. They need to know, bro.
I got you.
You two will f***ing be screwed for the rest of your lives. You'll be balls deep in shit, motherfuckers. Hey, I hope something bad happens because y'all are to f***ing blame, buddy. And what they did by crossing this gate, they're wrong too. I hope you like your new job at Walmart as greeter. What's his name and badge number, man?
I forgot his name.
Can you please give me his badge number?
It's all going to be public view, 100%. All body cameras
I
report
want it
everything.
before you leave. He's f***ing, man, for the rest of his life. He's f***ing. I'm gonna banter him on every social media platform. I'm sending this video to social media, dog. It's going out to the news and everything, bro. I'm just being honest.
Social media,
Very
bro.
honest right now. Hey, don't come up here.
I know. I gotta give. You want a card? I had to bribe.
Hey, man.
Give it to somebody else.
I'm gonna give it to
Don't
Deputy.
You get the f*** off of my
I'm gonna
property.
give it to Deputy Hannah.
You get off of my property.
Here.
Hey, you gonna be worldwide news today, buddy.
Listen to me. I got a case number. It's all right here, okay?
I want their names and badge
It's
numbers.
all right here.
No.
No, I got it. It's right here. Deputy McLean, 5442, and you got C. Thompson, 6942.
What about her?
And hers is actually 5833. That's her badge number. All right, brother. I'm gonna put my badge number on there too. Okay, this is mine right
Hey,
here.
listen, I'm gonna give you a great review, bro. You've done nothing but time to me. Thank you, sir.
You mind? Could I give you your knife back and you be okay? I'll throw it in the yard.
Yeah, you can throw it, bro. It's cool, man. Just don't try not to throw it in the dirty.
I'm not gonna do you.
I
Just
ain't-
listen to me. Don't do nothing stupid, okay?
I ain't.
I like
Listen,
it.
I got a good head, bro. I got a
Put that
really
in your
good
pocket,
head.
okay?
Thank you.
Promise?
Yes, sir.
And take care. I didn't mean to disrespect you, okay? If it was my choice, I would have let you go see your mom, okay?
It's no worries, man. Listen,
Okay.
you've been great, bro. Thank
All
you.
right.
Hey, he just, hey.
The female suspect, Melissa, was charged with felony battery on a law enforcement officer, felony resisting an officer with violence, felony assault on a law enforcement officer, and criminal mischief less than $200 in damage. The charge of battery on a law enforcement officer was dropped while the resisting an officer with violence charge resulted in adjudication withheld, meaning the judge accepts her plea but will not formally convict her on the charge. She was adjudicated guilty for the remaining charges of assault on a law enforcement officer and criminal mischief. She was sentenced to 3 years of probation. There are no public records indicating her husband filed any lawsuits towards the officers involved.
All right, we saw how.
Wow. So the kudos to the cop who calmed everything down, man, because he did it the right way. He was calm. You know, what he did was pretty smart. If y'all caught this by the officer, it was pretty smart. He instantly tapped in to how to talk to that dude. He instantly found out that if I come in calm and I call him brother, he's going to feel accepted. He's going to calm down. He's going to want to talk to me in a calm manner. He's going to not be aggressive toward me so I can get the meat and potatoes of what just happened. So good job to that cop who was the mediator in between them. You know what I'm saying? He played the good guy, right? So it helped just with the whole situation. Getting information, getting the cops information to him, all that stuff, man. But this is a crazy situation, man. I feel like both sides jumped off too soon. You know what I'm saying? Like obviously they already been through it with the court. They've been through it with cops and whoever else they're dealing with, because they said that earlier. And it's just one of those. It was one of those situations where stuff escalated because egos and attitudes were in the way. But all in all, good video, crazy video for the kids to have to go through to see their mama get punched out. You know what I'm saying? That would make me angry, man. If you see your mama get socked out and she sleep in the grass, tapped out, and then she wake up and then go back to sleep, like that would make me, knowing she has a condition too, that would make me feel a certain way or act a certain way, especially like if I was the husband. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know, man. I probably would jump bad. I don't know. I just know my attitude, 0 to a million. I'd have punched the cop. And something bad would have happened. That's when you got to really calm down and think about your surroundings. Like, what are your kids about to witness? You know what I mean? And it stops you from doing certain things. And I think, I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think with men, when it comes to a situation like that, they take a little extra second, a little more second to think about, all right, what is this going to do to my family that I'm supposed to protect and provide for? I can't do it for them if I'm locked up. You know what I mean? Or I can't do this in front of my daughter, unless the situation was different. If it was more threatening situation, yeah. But something like this, I don't know. He had to check himself at the grass, at his property. Like, do I jump off the property and put myself in danger, or do I stay on my property and protect myself and my kids? So, all in all, good video. Keep your mind right, keep your mind tight, keep thriving and surviving, keep your vibe high. And peace, love, light, and healing. Peace to the gods. Peace to the earth. Remember, call a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, call a friend, let them know Romy Roma's in the house, in your mouth. Georgia Roma in the house, and I'm in your mouth like, ooh, ooh. I say, ooh, ooh, ooh. Keep spreading the word, y'all. Let's get these subs up to 2,000 subscribers ASAPery. All right, y'all, be easy.